Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Nissan Juke. Now of course you get LED daytime running lights, you get 4 automatic headlights as well. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition that you do get on these alloys. As you'll probably notice as well, you do have all the yellow accents on here as well. You've got a reversing camera just up at the top here. You've got plenty of room inside the tailgate, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats when the boot floor is on the upper level. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full leather interior with again your yellow accents and stitching. You've then got Isofix mounting points in the rear. You've got full keyless entry and start. Inside the car we've got your automatic gearbox in the middle just here. You've then got climate control in the front with air conditioning, and then we also have your touchscreen display, which as you can see comes with your Bluetooth audio. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, FM, AM, DAB. You've then also got auxiliary and Bluetooth just there. As you can see, you have got your 360-degree view just here. Then over to the steering wheel, we then have your audio controls and Bluetooth hands-free on the left. We have your cruise control and speed limiter on the right. As I mentioned earlier, you've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Nissan Juke has only done 24,721 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Juke, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.